Again, welcome students of class 11th. Now the speech of Stefano, line number 132. Here, kiss the book, gives Trinculo drink. Though thou canst swim like a duck, thou art made like a goose. Stefano says here, kiss the book and gives Trinculo drink. Though you can swim like a duck, you are made like a goose. Trinculo says, Oh Stefano, hast any more of this? Trinculo asks Stefano, do you have some more of this wine? Have you more wine? Such type of wine? Stefano says, the whole but man, my cellar is in a rock by the seaside where my wine is hid. How now, moon calf, how does thine ague? Stefano says, I have got a whole barrel. Man, I have got a whole barrel, man. My cellar is in a rock by the seaside where my wine is hidden. He told where he has hidden his wine. How are you now, master? How is your ague? How is your fever? Caliban says, hast thou not dropped from heaven? Have you not dropped from heaven? He asked. Stefano says, Oh, out of the moon. Out of the moon, I do assure thee, I was the man in the moon when time was. He says, out of the moon, I assure you, I was the man on the moon once upon a time. When he asked whether you have not come from the heaven, Stefano told a lie that yes, once upon a time he was on the moon. Caliban says, I have seen thee in her, and I do adore thee. My mistress showed me thee and thy dog and thy bush. My mistress means here Miranda. I have seen you in the moon. He agrees. He agrees, Stefano, that I have seen you in the moon and I worship you. My mistress Miranda pointed you out to me and your dog and your bush. You were there on the moon with your dog and your bush. Stefano says, come, swear to that. Kiss the book. I will furnish it anon with new contents. Swear. Stefano says, come, swear. What is said is true. Kiss the bottle. I will presently have it filled up again. Swear. Gives Caliban drink. Trinculo says, by this good light, this is a very shallow monster. I feared of him, a very weak monster, the man in the moon, a most poor, credulous monster, well-drawn monster in good sooth. Trinculo says, by the light of heaven, I swear that this is a simple monster, and I was afraid of him, a poor, weak monster. He believes in the man in the moon, a poor, gullible. Gullible means easily persuaded to believe something. A poor gullible monster. You have consumed a good draught, master, indeed. Caliban says, I will show thee every fertile inch over the island, and I will kiss thy foot. I pray thee, be my God. Caliban is showed that Stefano has come from heaven. So he says, I will show you every fertile spot in this island and will kiss your feet. I request you to be my God. Trinculo says, by this light, a most perfidious and drunken monster, when God's asleep, he will rob his bottle. Trinculo says, I swear by this light that he is a treacherous, he is disloyal and drunken monster. When his God is asleep, he will steal his bottle of wine. Caliban says, I will kiss my foot, I will swear myself thy subject. I will kiss your feet and swear to be your subject. Stefano says, come on then, down and swear. Come down on your knees and swear that you will be my subject and I will be your master. Trinculo says, I shall laugh myself to death at this puppy-headed monster, most scurry monster, I could find in my heart to beat him. Trinculo says, I could die laughing at this puppy-headed monster, a most filthy, a most dirty monster. I am inclined to beat him. Stefano says, come, kiss. Trinculo says, but that the poor monster's drink, an abominable monster. Had he not been drunk, Trinculo says, had he not been drunk, I would have beaten him. A detestable monster, a deserving intense dislike monster. Caliban says, I will show thee the best spring, I will pluck the berries. I will fish for thee and get thee wood enough. A plague upon the tyrant that I serve. I will bear him no more sticks, but follow thee, thou wondrous man. Now, Caliban says, I will show you the finest spring of water. I will pluck berries and fish to you and get plenty of firewood. A curse on the tyrant here, Prospero, that I serve at present. I will carry no more wood for him, but follow you, my wonderful man. He is Caliban is fully controlled in Stefano. Trinculo is a most ridiculous monster to make a wonder of a poor drunkard. Trinculo says, you are a stupid monster to take a poor drunken sailor for a wonderful person. Caliban says, I pray thee, let me bring thee where crabs grow, and I with my long nails will dig thee pig nuts, show thee a jay's nest, and instruct thee how to snare the nimble marmoset. I will bring thee to clustering filberts, and sometimes I will get the young scammers from the rock. Wilt thou go with me? Caliban says, I beg you, let me take you to the place where the crab apples grow, and with my long nails I will dig up pig nuts for you. I will show you a jay's nest and teach you how to snare the nimble-footed monkeys. I will take you where hazelnuts grow in clusters. And sometimes I will get for you young scammers from the rock. Will you come with me? Here, jay's nest means here jay is the name of the bird, and hazelnuts, filberts, hazelnuts, a type of nut. Will you come with me? Stefano says, I pray thee now lead the way without any more talking. Trinculo, the king and all our company, else being drowned, we will inherit here bear my bottle. Fellow Trinculo, we will fill him with by and by again. Stefano says, I request you to lead me the way without any talk. Trinculo, since the king and all the rest of our company have been drowned, we are the owners of everything here. Each and everything is ours. Here, carry my bottle. Friend Trinculo, we will fill it again as the time goes by. Caliban sings drunkenly. Farewell, master, farewell, farewell. Trinculo says, a howling monster, a drunken monster. A howling monster, a drunken monster. Caliban sings here, no more dams I will make for fish, no fetching firing at requiring, no scrap trencher nor wash dish. Ban, Caliban has a new master, get a new man. Freedom, hey day, freedom, freedom, hey day, freedom. He sings, I will make you no more dams for your fish. He says to Prospero, that I will make no more dams for your fish, no fetch your firewood for when it is required, nor clean plates, nor wash dishes for you. Ban, the Caliban has a new master, you get a new servant. Stefano says, O brave master, lead the way. Stefano says, O brave master, lead on, show me the place. I am ready to go there. excellent. This is the end of Act 2, Scene 2, and just after we will start Act 3, Scene 1. Students, if have any problem, please ask me on WhatsApp group or in the class. You are requested to come and join the class as examination, L1 examination are about to come. Thank you so much, students.